Alright guys, it is now Carnival Monday. The bands are doing their thing. We haven't seen them yet. It's after lunch now, way after lunch. But I'll show you one thing. Check it out. We're going the wrong way on the Savannah. That's how you know it's Carnival. They just make a part of the Savannah two-way so you can still get in and get out. It works really well, but it just feels odd. Look, the President House, we're passing it in. So we're down here. We're by Flavor. That's it in the background. It's pretty late, as I said, so I think most of the bands are gone. But we're still going to walk to see if we catch anything. And I have the kids with me. Parked up in the Savannah. And then we walk down Charlotte Street because that's what they're coming up. It has a big gap, but we're seeing a band in front of us. Alright, so we find a cool spot here and we're going to let the band pass in front of us. It's right opposite Renegades. They're coming. There's some nice traditional mass in the front. Of the food, and now we're seeing a band, Desperados, play in front of a mass band. Let's take it in. As you will see, we didn't see much bands. It looked kind of fragmented and we thought we were too late. Tiffany tell us come down now, and there are bands now crossing the stage where we saw full bands as you saw there. But the music was so loud, it's about 10 music trucks right behind each other. So I couldn't even hear myself speak. But yeah, this is Carnival Monday. And the real mass is really tomorrow. That's when everybody put on their full costume on the stage for judging and whatnot. So we'll see some of that also. But yeah, Carnival. It is Carnival Tuesday. We've been by the Savannah a lot. I have the kids with me. Yeah, we've been by the Savannah a lot. So this time we're in like close to St. James here by Roxy, by one Woodbrook place. We're going to try to get some mass on this side, you know, because this is part of the route. Ariapita Avenue. You know, Tuesday is the one where they put on the full regalia, all the feathers and whatnot. You don't really see that on a Monday. Should be exciting to see.
They come and strike a pose and they take the front page.
were just on the avenue and we came across Bliss. But that band is so big, we wouldn't really see anything else but that band. We're heading out because there's a lot of traffic and we don't want to get stuck too much. And we're now passing, heading up again by the Roxy by Woodbrook 1, and we're seeing these smaller bands passing in back, which is really nice. So yeah, Carnival Tuesday for you. Alright, so it's a little break between bands. Whew, the music must be so loud, but still really nice to see all the costuming. It's very, very pretty. Alright, so we're by Mandela Park where we parked up. We're gonna head out because of the traffic. That's Yuma. Yuma, it's past 10, no, it's 12 and Yuma is safely here. Enjoying some snow cone as we wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little carnival video showing you 2026 Carnival in Trinidad. I just so happen to be here for it this year. Anyway, as always, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Tribal Yuma is Yuma.